In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Google Chrome browser on your Skyworth Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your Skyworth Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the App Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your TV model. Step 3. Search for Google Chrome. Use the search bar to type Google Chrome. If Google Chrome does not appear, your TV's App Store might not support it directly. Step 4. Alternative way. Use a browser app or downloader. If Chrome is unavailable, open the pre-installed browser app on your TV, or download a file manager app from the store. Using a USB drive, you can try sideloading the Chrome APK if your TV supports Android apps. Step 5. Use screen mirroring if Chrome can't be installed. On your phone or PC, open Chrome. Use screen mirroring or casting to display Chrome on your Skyworth TV. Important notes. Many Skyworth Smart TVs run on a custom OS or Android TV, so app availability varies. Installing Chrome might not be officially supported on some models. Using screen mirroring is often the easiest way to use Chrome on your TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.